Hi everyone, welcome to Raigurkul. Today we are diving into the Rally Team Boards, a powerful tool that empowers teams to work with autonomy while maintaining consistent data across enterprise. Let's explore how this feature can transform your team's workflow. To begin or to start with the Teams board, you have to just navigate it to this. I mean, on track, click on Team Boards and it will open according to your projects. So Team Board is designed to give you a visual representations of your workflow, allowing your team to effectively manage tasks and track progress. This is like a Kanban board where you can see based on the status things are available, like define, in progress, completed, accepted. Team boards are nothing but a visual representations of your actions or team's actions which they are going to achieve it. Either they can start with the define, it means they have not yet started. In progress, it means the work has been started, and completed, it means it's completed. So as you can see, the words is basically a status where this intuitive interface display all your team's works at one place. Team members can create new cards, edit existing ones, and move card across the board to reflect the current status of the task, user story, or features. For creating a new cards, we have to navigate it to the settings tab, and from here you can add the cards. If we found we have lot of cards available, immediately go ahead and delete it. But for creating it, you have to add the words like UAT and click on save. This will be added successfully. At any point of time you realize this is not required, you can delete it. You can even move left or right, totally depending on the selections. That's where we have the boards. Again, returning back to the board, select on the boards and it will navigate you to the previous page. So Team Board provides a Kanban style view, allowing you to visualize the flow of work from to do to in progress and done. This makes it easy to identify bottlenecks and optimize your team's productivity. If you think this is the team has been started, we can just drag and drop. At any point of time we want to modify it, click on the styles and it will give you options to make a modifications. So one of the key benefits of the team board is that it rolls up matrix to the programs and portfolio label, ensuring consistent data for the entire enterprise. This helps leaders to make data driven decisions. If you realize to make this ranking highest, you can make it to highest ranking. As well as if you want, you can add it or delete it by just selecting on three ellipses. This also, with team boards, your team has the flexibility to work in a way that suits them best while maintaining alignment with organization goals. Team members can easily communicate, update progress, and collaborate on tasks. We can do lot of work even if we wanted to mark it blocked. We don't have to open the issues or user story or task. We directly click on this and it will ask you to give the block region where you can tag different user story as well. If this is ready, just click on this and it will mark with the green color where it indicates the ready tiles. Movement is quick enough. You can do movement from left to right or right to left depending on the features. At any point of time you want to apply filter, you can just add or remove the filter where it will showcase based on the filter itself. At any point of time you think we can remove it as well. We can also add show widgets where we can add the widgets of days completed, work item by flow states, time box, burn downs, everything we can add it here. Consider we wanted to work as days completed widgets, we can add it quickly. Here you can add a new issues as well, or new task or user story as well. If you realize exist agreements, we can also add existing agreements as well. Showing working rules, if we have any working rules we have defined, that can also be visible in each of the columns. This is how we can work within the board itself. In terms of customizations, you can also customize this board as you want. We have swimlane options available where you can immediately apply filter. Swimlanes, I will cover it in different video, so stay tuned for my upcoming video as well. If you wanted to learn more about Rally for project management as well as for administrations, feel free to refer my complete Rally playlist. I've included the URL in description tab. Find it out the video link from the descriptions. It will be helpful for you to refer or quickly jump into the Rally playlist. At any point of time, if you want trainings or any consulting, reach out to us. We'll be happy to support you. Moving back to the topic, here you will see setting options. As I initially said, we can create any items and save it. That column will be added successfully. If we realize we need to delete it, we can immediately delete it from here. While adding a new column or board, you can add the name of the board, mark the status or schedule status, then work in progress limit as of now. Normally, this will by default infinity. You can add n number of items within the column. After that, if you have created any exist agreements, you can add it here. And that's where this page will be available into the board. This is exit agreement. I'm just adding some text, but as per the company's demands or requirements, you can add it. Click on save, go back to the board, and you see we don't have exit agreements yet. But once I will enable it, you can see this exit agreements are added successfully in my QA board. Again, if I wanted to drag and drop any of those items, that is visible here. Quick enough, we don't have to do much. We can customize it at any point of the time, which is again very easy steps to do it. Another thing is at any point of time you wanted to move here and there, to move right or left, that can also be visible. It means you can also set the column names as per your requirements, which is quick enough and easy. If you wanted to just collapse these options, if you have lot of status or lot of columns, you can do in such a way where the items which is not required, you can minimize it. And here you can see out of n items, 5 are defined. So the status or count is also clearly visible. That's where the team boards or Kanban board will help teams to manage quickly and see the progress of the works which is available in the board. And that's it about boards in Rally. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips in Rally. And as I mentioned, if you remember using any other views in Rally, feel free to add the best view which you found in Rally board, which can be useful for other viewer as well. And don't forget to drop your questions, comments, or feedback in the comment sections. We'll be happy to reply on your questions. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.